Whitey!
Wait, Hobie.
I can do the handstand smoother if you give me another shot at her.
We got 4 good ones, Hobie. Whitey's tired.
Okay, you're the boss, man. That's lunch. I'm gonna grab me a plate of beans.
The studio says you're finished here, and you're to report back to the lot.
How come?
They're changing your image.
Okay.
And the studio says you're escorting Carlotta Valdez to your premiere tonight.
How come? I don't know her.
Studio's arranging it. They're changing your image.
How you doing, Hobie?
Hello there, Scotty.
They got you shooting on the lot?
Well, Mr. Mannix pulled me off the Western, says I'm doing a movie on a soundstage. They built a drone room. Mr. Mannix, you want me to run out and get you a bigger grip? That one looks a little bit snug.
Hobie, there's $100,000 in that attaché case. Ransom money. Baird Whitlock has been kidnapped.
This is bad. Bad for movie stars everywhere. And you got no idea who's mixed up in this thing? I would look at the extras.
The extras? Why?
Well, you just never know about an extra. They come and go. Everyone else, I'm on the set, I see the guy setting the 5K, I think, why, there's old Bud setting the 5K. Script girl, wrangler, same thing. Extras, that's different. Not making a blanket call here. I mean, there's good extras and bad extras. All I'm saying, you look at an extra, you got no idea what he's thinking.
Hobie?
Oh, hello, Carlotta.
Am I late?
Oh, no, it ain't nothing. Thanks an awful bunch for coming to this picture with me. I don't know if you like livestock, but I think it's got moments. I really do. You look very pretty.
Well, thank you, Hobie. I'm sure I like the picture. I like all of your pictures.
Well, I like yours too. They are just the craziest things. Is it hard to dance with all them bananas on your head?
Oh, no. Anyone can do it. It's all in the hips and the lips and the eyes and the thighs.
Hobie, Doyle? You're a communist too?
So it's commies.
You ever been to this place? Pretty nice, huh? It's Bert Gurney's.
Sings, he dances, he's got taste.
You here alone?
Everybody else went down the beach.
Well, all right, Pard. Let's us head on back to town. You got Mr. Mannix worried sick.